Good morning, students. Good morning. If you remember, we were doing reported speech yesterday. So we are going to do the same thing today. 3 more exercises. Have you seen the board paper issued by CBSE? CBSE sample paper of class 10th English?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, not yet.
Not yet? Chali, never mind. In my next class, I forgot today. Otherwise, I would have shared it with you today. Maybe if I get time, I'll do it today only. I'll discuss with you. There is a little difference in the pattern of the paper. So we'll go and we'll see that paper. After this exercise, if we get time, we'll do it today itself. See, beta, read the conversation. Anu is saying, I will not attend school tomorrow because I have to attend my cousin's wedding. Arun says, do you remember we have an exam tomorrow? Anu, we have an exam tomorrow? Exclamation mark. I totally forgot about it. What shall I do? Important than attending a wedding? Then Anu says, you are right, I will attend school tomorrow. See this passage very carefully. You have a normal sentence, you got an interrogative sentence, you got an exclamatory sentence, again an interrogative sentence. So be very careful when you're changing it to reported speech. Please start, raise your hands once you finish. Start dear, everybody. Yes, Adish, say what you want to say. You want to ask something?
No, ma'am, I'm saying I'm done.
How is that done? Not even 30 seconds. You did it before that only. Chali,
Yes,
never mind. If you've done, never mind. Very good of you. Let's wait for others. See, everybody has to do right or wrong, doesn't make a difference. You give a wrong answer, that's absolutely okay with me. But everybody should raise hands. Quickly finish it, raise your hand. Two people are already done. I'm waiting for the rest. Everybody has to do. Two hands only. Quickly, children. Hurry up, children. Let me check now how many hands raised. Three now. Atish, Avika, and Ayush. Very good. I'm waiting for the others. Now let us see how many are there. Still 3 hands only. Jakpreet, what happened? Not yet done? Jakpreet. Jakpreet Singh, are you there? Ayush Yadav?
Yes, ma'am. Jakpreet Singh present.
Okay. Fine. Are you still doing Jakpreet?
Yes, ma'am. I have joined now only.
Okay, do it. Ayush Yadav? Ayush Yadav, good morning.
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
चलो जल्दी करो. Ayushi Yadav? Ayushi Yadav, good morning. Ayushi Yadav? Should I remove you from the meeting or you are responding? Bolo beta, otherwise I'll remove you. For the entire week, I'll make sure you're marked absent for all the classes. Kumkum? Kumkum, good
One
morning.
minute.
Hurry up, hurry up. Pratyush Agarwal.
Good morning.
Pratyush Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
जल्दी करो. रुद्राक्ष.
Yes, ma'am.
रुद्राक्ष.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए हरी up. शिवेंद्र. शिवेंद्र, good morning.
Morning, ma'am. I'm just reading, ma'am. Please wait.
Okay, I'm waiting. Yep. Ayush is done. Rupendra. Rupendra Pratap. Rupendra Pratap, good morning. Rupendra Pratap, good morning. Hurry up, hurry up. Right or wrong doesn't make a difference. Raise your hands. Let's start by the time these 3-4 students will join us very quickly. The first hand to be raised was Atish. So Atish, tell me the first one.
Anu informed Arun that she would not attend the school next day because she had to attend her cousin's wedding.
Excellent. Too good, beta. The more, less words for you. बहुत ही अच्छा करा आपने. Not even one mistake. See, he has done all changes. Will he has changed to would. Tomorrow, next day, she had to attend her cousin's wedding. Too good, Atish. Avika, second one. Avika, your turn, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Arun asked her if she remembered that they had an exam the next day. Anu
Very
exclaimed.
wait,
Anu
only
exclaimed
second.
with.
Beta. Only second sentence. Hold on. Speak slowly the second one so that others are able to relate. Speak again, second one.
Arun asked her if she remembered that they had an exam the next day.
Perfect. Because there is an interrogative sentence, she's used the word asked if she remembered they
Ma'am,
had an exam.
it is
Yes.
already written.
Okay, she remembered they had an exam. Okay, sorry. Now you speak the next one. Sorry, beta. Anu exclaimed. Give the answer. Third
Anu
one.
exclaimed with surprise that they had an exam that they had an exam the next day, and told that she had totally forgotten about it.
Next. She had totally forgotten about it. What should she do? Change the last part. What shall I do now? This part. Change this.
Ma'am, it's already written what she should do then.
It's done. Now let's have Shaurya now. Shaurya, give the answer.
Ma'am Arun, Ma'am Arun told her that you were right. You were right. He would attend the school the next day.
Do you
No,
agree
ma'am.
that everything is correct?
Ma'am, he
Hmm?
spoke the wrong sentence.
Yes, beta. Not this one.
Ma'am,
Shall we
okay, ma'am. Fourth one.
Again, Share? Hmm?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Anu exclaimed that he thought the exam was more important than attending a wedding.
No, you
Do
are
you agree
telling
with the
wrong
answer?
sentence. No,
No,
ma'am.
Oh, I don't know where he is. Zeba, you take up. Now be attentive,
Yes,
Shari.
ma'am.
Zeba,
Ma'am,
Zeba.
Okay, ma'am.
Arun told her that he thinks the exam is more important than attending a wedding.
Do you agree with her answer or is there a mistake?
I think will change to thought.
And ma'am, is will change to war.
Yes, beta.
The
Yes.
shoot.
Yes, ma'am. May I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, yes. Yes. Tell.
Arun told her that he thought the exam was more important than attending a wedding.
Perfect. Lavanya has done. Now Nishanki. Very good. Can you speak the entire thing right from the first sentence?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please go ahead. The entire thing right from the first sentence. Start, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Anu informed Arun that she would not attend school the next day because she had to attend her cousin's wedding. Arun asked her in if she remembered that they had an exam next day. Anu exclaimed in surprise uh, that she totally forgot about it and asked Arun what she should do then. Arun told her that uh, he, Arun told her that he
Excuse me,
thought
ma'am.
that attend the exam he thought that exam was more important than attending a wedding. To this, Anu agreed and said that she would attend the school next day.
Very good. So many changes she did with perfection. Even the one I was feeling she will forget that now should change to then. She did that also. Too good, beta. Very good. Very good. All of you, well done. Let's move on to the second paragraph now. Let me read it out for you. And then we'll start doing the second paragraph as well. See, Mary says, I have a surprise for you. Oh, what is Dia saying? Exclamation mark. Really, what is it? Mary, I will give it to you on your birthday tomorrow. What is she saying, dear? Thank you. I'm eager to see what it is. Then Mary says, I'm sure you're going to love it. Please start this. Once you finish, raise your hands. Again, the same rule. Everybody needs to do right or wrong, doesn't make a difference.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
I'm done.
I'm done.
Beta, just raise your hands, okay? So that others don't get distracted when they're doing. Once you finish, raise your hands. I'll get to know who has finished. Raise your hands quickly. I can see Zeba has done, Shaurya has done, Atish has done, Avika and Jagpreet and Lavanya have already done. Hurry up, others. Let's see now. How many hands raised? Very good. Shivendra, Divyansh have also joined. Last 2 minutes. Ayush, Ayushi, Kumkum, Pratyush, Rudraksh, Ayush, Rupendra. Hurry up quickly. Last 1 minute I'm giving you. Start answering. Start answering.
Ma'am, Mary told Daya
Mary
that
told
she had a surprise for her.
Dia was surprised and
The
asked what was that.
Mary
Very
told
good,
her
Mary
children.
that
Very
told
good. You are doing in a very
Mary
nice
Mary
told
She
way.
her
told
told
that
her that
she
she will give
would
it to
give it
her
to
on
her
her birthday the
on
next
her
day.
birthday the next day.
No, ma'am, it would be
to
like
to
the
the
Mary
Beta,
ma-
told her
beta,
that
hold on.
she
back.
would
Wait,
give it to her on her
beta.
birthday the next day.
Not like this, not like this. The same child speak again and speak slowly so that I can also check. Once somebody is
Mary
speaking,
Ma'am,
don't
you
interrupt.
name them, please.
Don't interrupt like this. I'm not even able to make out like this. We'll start from down this time. Kumkum, give the first answer. If you feel something is wrong, then you can say, ma'am, may I correct? Kumkum, please start. She's not there only. Chance you give.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the first answer is Mary told Dia that she had a surprise for her.
If anybody has any objections to the answer, you can please speak. No objections? That's better. Ayushi Yadav, next answer.
Dia was surprised and asked what was it? What was that?
All of you feel the answer is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we can move on to the next one. Shivendra, next answer.
Mary told her that she would give it to her on her birthday the next day.
Any changes to be done or you think it's correct?
Correct.
It's correct.
Okay, fine. Lavanya, next.
To this, Dia replied, "Thank you." She was eager. She was eager to see what it was.
You are satisfied with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
if we write like this, to this, Dia replied that she was thankful and she was eager to
Thankful,
see
yeah.
what it was.
Yes, we can do that as well. There is no problem. We
Okay.
can do that as well. That's absolutely okay. Next, beta, Atish.
Ma'am, it's done.
Ma'am, it's
No, no,
done.
the beta, you have to speak the entire thing. Like last time she did, na? In the last, the entire
Okay.
passage you have to speak. Right from the
Okay.
beginning, speak.
Mary told Dia that she had a surprise for her. Dia was surprised and asked, "Really? What was it?" Mary told her that she would give it to her on her birthday the next day. To this, Dia replied, "Thank you." She was eager to see what it was. Uh, I'm done.
Did you find any mistakes in the entire passage when he spoke? Nobody?
Yes,
Think
ma'am.
good.
He spoke. He spoke. Dia was surprised and asked, "Really?"
Oh,
It's
little
oh
while.
yes.
Minor thing, yes, yes, yes. While doing the entire thing, probably. That is why I want one of you to speak the entire thing. Read the third one now. Tina, I called you yesterday. Where were you? Aryan says, I went to visit my grandmother. Why did you call? So she's saying, I called to tell you that our results will be out next week. Aryan says, are you sure? She says, I saw the news in yesterday's newspaper. Your time starts now. Please start doing.
Ma'am,
Hurry up.
ma'am, we can't
Yes,
see the passage. Oh, now it's clear.
it's okay. Yes. Please start. Hurry up. Raise your hands once you finish, Peter. There is no hurry. Just be careful. Two hands already raised. Atish and Avika. Too good. Others also hurry. Very good. Five hands raised. Okay, let's see now. Why do we have the same hands raised again? Ayush, Ayushi, Divyansh, Jakpreet, Pratyush, hurry up, I'm waiting. Rudraksh, Rupendra, hurry up, beta. I think we should start discussing. Almost everybody is done. Only Pratyush, Rudraksh, and Rupendra. By the time they will also finish. So let's start discussing. Atish, first hand raised. Then Avika, Shivendra, Lavanya. In the same sequence, give answers. First Atish, then Avika, then Shivendra, and then Lavanya. Please start.
Tina told Aryan that she called him the previous day and asked him where he had been. Aryan told her that he went.
Wait. Only the first sentence. Whether you all agree with what he said, or you have any issues in the first answer?
It's
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
correct.
according to me, it should be Tina told Aryan that she had called him yesterday. Sorry, she had called him the previous day.
What did Atish
He
speak?
said
Atish,
he
speak
said
again.
He
correct.
said He said correct. He
said-
said that
He said this
Tina
only.
told Aryan. Yeah.
He said that
this
Tina
only.
told Aryan that she called him yesterday.
As far as I remember,
Previous.
he said had called, no? Children, you people also must have heard. He was right or wrong?
Man, he was correct.
Okay, fine. Second sentence now. Hurry up, whose turn it was? I had already assigned. It's Avika. Start.
Aryan told her that he had went to visit his grandmother and inquired why she had called.
Please see if it
Tina
is
to-
correct. Wait, hold on. You think it is correct or there are some issues in the second one? Please let me know. If you feel all it's correct, say correct. Otherwise, give what is wrong. You feel it's correct. There is no issue. Okay, let's move on. Next answer. Hurry up.
Tina told him that she had called to tell him that their results will be out the previous week.
Will be out the previous day.
Ma'am, week. Ma'am, the previous week.
Ma'am, were.
No, previous week or what? Read this carefully. Beta, do you agree with the answer?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Please give the answer according to you.
Tina
Ma'am,
told Tina told him that she had called to tell him that their result will be out the following week.
yes, ma'am. This is correct.
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Only one little mistake he was doing. Previous day and following day. Got it, children? That was the only mistake that he was doing. Next answer. Hurry up.
Tina told him she saw the news. She saw the news in the previous day's newspaper.
Do you agree or any changes required?
Ma'am, it's correct.
Okay. Who will take up the next task of speaking the entire thing now? Like you
Ma'am, may I
always do?
speak?
Like,
May I speak?
Ma'am, may I?
okay. Want to try? Okay, speak. Start. But beta, you have to speak slowly so that if you go somewhere wrong, we can check you. When you're speaking entire thing, speak slowly. Start. Start, beta.
Ma'am,
I think you said you want to do, na?
Yes, ma'am.
But speak slowly so that others can
Okay,
check
ma'am.
what you're speaking. Start.
Tina told Aryan that she had called him the previous day and asked him where he had been. Aryan told her that he had went to visit his grandmother and inquired why she had called. Tina told him that she had called to tell him that their results would be out the following week. Uh,
Any other
when
problem?
Aryan
Continue.
when Aryan asked whether she was sure, Tina told him she saw the news. She saw the news in the previous day newspaper. Ma'am, it's done.
Children, what do you say? Did she commit a mistake anyway or everything was correct?
It's correct.
Ma'am, I think last sentence would be like Tina told him that she had seen the news in the previous day's newspaper.
That is what she said, beta. That is what she also said. That is what exactly she said.
No,
So can you
ma'am.
tell
She
me?
said a
Can you tell
different
me the
thing.
major changes done in the first paragraph? Raise your hands who will tell me all the changes which were done in this paragraph. First, let me know this only. Tell me what all changes were done in this stanza. Let me ask somebody.
Yesterday was changed to previous day.
Okay. Tell me all the changes done in this part. Very good.
Ma'am, the
Continue.
next
Ma'am,
week
next
changed
week
to the
changes
following
to
week.
the following week.
Very good. Make it as a group discussion. Don't make it one person at a time. All the changes that you've done in the third one. Tell me, beta. Continue.
Ma'am, yesterday was changed into previous day.
More changes? Anything else? That's all?
Ma'am,
Are there only
ma'am, the
changes?
third sentence R was changed to there.
Okay. Let's move on to the second one. The surprised one. Tell me the changes done in the second one. I have
Ma'am,
a
have
surprise
changed
for
to
you.
had.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Continue, continue.
in the second sentence is changed to was.
Yes,
Was.
others also participate. Very
The
good.
third one will change to would,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am,
and
and
tomorrow
tomorrow
change to
changed
the
to
next day.
the next day.
Tomorrow changed to the next day.
Ma'am, in the fourth one, am changed to was.
And ma'am, in the fourth sentence, what
She
it was.
was. I am changed was to she was. She was eager to see.
First paragraph, what changes we did?
Tomorrow was changed to the next
Ma'am,
day.
will was changed to would.
And
Tomorrow was
Will
changed
would.
to the
to
next
would,
day.
tomorrow to next day. Very good.
Ma'am, have to had.
I was she.
I was changed to she. Why was I changed into she?
That she would not attend the school next day because I think it was the only answer.
Why we did not make it he, or why it was not made he, children?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
because the
because
Because
he
message
was
she's
speaking
a
to
girl.
Ma'am, because she was female.
So be very careful in changing pronouns. If it's a boy or a male, then change to he. Otherwise, it is she. What other changes? Very good, children.
Yes,
Too good, you
ma'am.
all are. Will we continue?
Ma'am, in the second sentence, have changed to had. Tomorrow changed to the next day.
And the tomorrow changed to next day.
Yes. There was one place where we were going wrong. I think previous day and next day. There was some confusion with one of the child. Who was it? I hope it's clear. Who was it? Was it
Ma'am, in the
Shivendra? I think.
Ma'am, that was
Yes.
previous week. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Only that little mistake he did when he was speaking. Otherwise, all his answers were correct. So we need to be very careful. Tomorrow becomes what?
On the next day.
next day.
The next day.
Next day.
And if it is yesterday, what will
The
you make it?
previous day.
The
Previous day.
previous day.
Previous day.
Previous day.
the
So
last
if it
day.
is,
Or the
if it is the
last day.
last
Yeah.
week, then what will you make it last week?
The
Previous
previous
week.
Previous
The
week.
previous week.
Then it would become previous week. Shall changes to,
Should.
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 will changes to,
Would.
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 have changes to.
Had.
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 Very good. Have changes to had. So
Had.
these are the one, and now changes to, now changes
Then.
to.
Then.
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 Yes. Very good. I was a bit confused about this. And if there's an exclamation mark, then said normally, what is the word we
Surprised or
use?
shocked.
Exclaimed
Surprise.
with.
Surprised or
Yes.
shocked.
And if it is an interrogative sentence, then said normally is not
Asked
used. What
or
is used?
inquired.
She inquired or
Asked.
she asked.
She inquired or she asked. Very good.
Asked.
Perfectly done. Class 10th, you're doing very well. Very well. Did you do reported speech in class 9th?
Ma'am,
Yes,
little bit.
ma'am.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
a small part, but we did it.
Okay. You did this now? You did reported
Ma'am,
speech in
we
class
just
9th?
did creative writing in class 9th.
Yes, ma'am.
You did,
We
you did
wrote
not
a
do
lot.
creative writing.
Ma'am, a lot of creative writing.
Okay. Lot of creative writing, but less of grammar. That is what you're trying to say.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Beta, why
nothing
I am
from grammar.
focusing
Letters and articles.
more on grammar and that too on reported speeches, because reported speech you saw, I'll share the board paper with you. Have you seen the board paper? I was just asking you.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
You said
yesterday you
Never
showed.
the
mind.
last of time.
Never mind. Next class, I'll share the sample paper which is issued by CBSE for class 10th English, and we'll discuss the paper. We'll see what kind of questions are coming in reported speech. Very interesting questions. They are picture wise, like they have given some cartoons talking to each other or some pictures who are communicating with each other, and that has to be
Ma'am,
changed into reported speech. Yes, Peter?
ma'am, you shared yesterday, no?
Ma'am, there.
Yes, ma'am, you shared it.
Okay, I had a class with you yesterday.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, a
Ma'am,
combined
please share
class.
it again, ma'am. I could not
Okay,
see it
yes,
because I was in school.
because
Some
otherwise
was,
also it
some
was a
people
You
was
can
in
combined
see
the.
the
class.
recording.
Never mind, it was a combined class. So as it is, I could not discuss properly. I could not talk to each one of you. So we can do it once again, not an issue. As of now, we have not solved the paper also. We just saw it. We did not solve it. So we'll do one thing. We'll try and solve it as well. I'll also
Ma'am,
revise
you
the
saw
writing
it.
section with you. Yes, your exams are starting from 23rd of November, children. We'll be posting the date sheet and syllabus very soon, maybe by Sunday. Okay, I'll be requesting all the teachers to send the syllabus and the date sheet also. We are starting from 23rd of November. After Diwali, the next Monday that we have, your exams are going to start. Whatever did
Ma'am,
not come in the
live,
first term. Yes, Peter?
ma'am, live or online?
See,
In
we are
the
trying that
school.
In
students
school.
can come to school and give. It's your choice. If
School.
you want, you can come to school and give the exam. Those who don't want to come to
Ma'am, we.
school, we'll of course have an option for online.
Ma'am, but
But
some
then
of the students are saying that they are forcing to come.
nobody is going to force, Peter. That you know, nobody is going to force. That's a wrong allegation. If somebody is saying it's a wrong, whoever is saying, nobody is forcing anyone. We are just saying that if you come to school and write, it will be good for you. But nobody is going to force you. This is not forcing. So 23rd we'll start.
Sir,
Alternate days you'll have your exams. Okay? Alternate days. Like today, if you got English, you're going
Okay,
to get a
ma'am.
holiday for one day. This is how you. I'll post the date sheet and the syllabus most probably by Sunday evening. So keep checking your groups. Now is your break time, I suppose. So all that syllabus which came in the first half will not be included in this term. So it is not a pre-board. Don't get confused. Clear, children?